Welcome and thanks for joining us. In this video we stay a night at Wirrulla Progress Caravan Park. This is the beaut little camp kitchen with seats, washing machine and dryer that both take $1 coins only. The light switch is also the master switch and needs to be on for the appliances to work. This really is an awesome little caravan park and is a credit to the community. At only $15 a night for powered or unpowered. You pay at the general store across the road. If the store is closed, there are some after hours numbers to ring. The amenities are awesome. They're extremely clean. You need a key to access the amenities, which you get when you've paid your fee for the night. You see the toilet, how to clean the toilets are. Plenty of room. And the showers, there are plenty of hot water. And look at all those hooks, 5 hooks. You don't get that in most caravan parks. They were just absolutely awesome. Out the back there's a clothesline and there's also a little fenced play area for the kids. And on the left of that play area there's also a bike track. Pick your own campsite, and we put ourselves on a great big concrete slab, so we were out of the dirt and out of the sand, which was awesome. Plenty of other sites further down the back. Some of them didn't look like they had any power at all, and they're more in a bush setting. There's certainly plenty you can choose. Across the road, it's also got some tables and chairs. It's also got a community barbecue and a little mini basketball court. Unfortunately, being a public holiday, it's closed. Otherwise we would have gone over here and had a meal. That's better lighting. Outdoor area. Look. Well done. It's got the sound system in there. What a neat little pub. This is the general store where you go and pay your fee for the caravan park and also pick up the key for the amenities. It's also a post office and also sells some fuel. This is the only place we had seen on our whole trip that had any fuel limits. There's mechanical repairs across the road from the caravan park as well if you get stuck. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. Safe and happy travels.